In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file to Google Drive. Whether you're looking to share documents, backup photos, or store important files in the cloud, Google Drive provides a simple and effective solution. So, let's dive right in and walk through this step-by-step process together. First things first, you'll want to open Google Drive in your web browser. It's important to make sure you're using a compatible and updated browser to ensure a smooth experience. Simply type in the Google Drive URL and you'll find yourself on the homepage. If you're not already signed into your Google account, now's the time to do so. Look for the Sign In button, input your credentials, and you should be all set. If you're new to Google, you might need to create an account, but that's a simple, guided process. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start uploading your file. Take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You should see a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu is going to appear, and from there, you'll want to select File Upload. This is your key to bringing files from your personal computer into the Google Drive ecosystem. After you choose File Upload, a file picker window will open up. Think of this as a bridge between your computer and Google Drive. You'll need to navigate through your computer's folders to find the exact file or files you need to upload. This can be a document, a photo, a video, or anything else you wish to store online. Once you've located the file, simply click on it to select it. Windows users will find this process quite similar to uploading attachments to an email. The final step is straightforward. After selecting the file, click Open. This initiates the upload process. You'll see a progress bar at the bottom right of your Google Drive screen, providing a visual cue of your upload status. Once the upload completes, your file is safely stored and ready to access from any device with an internet connection. It's a great way to ensure your documents are both secure and easily shareable. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. If you have multiple files to upload, you can select all of them at once by pressing either Control on Windows or CMD on Mac and clicking each file. This will help you save time by uploading them simultaneously instead of one by one. There you have it. You've successfully learned how to upload a file to Google Drive. This cloud storage service makes organizing and accessing your files a breeze, and I'm thrilled to have guided you through this straightforward process today. Keep exploring all the features Google Drive has to offer, and happy uploading!